To remove the old microphone cover, insert the microphone cover removal tool into the groove at the back side of the microphone cover. Gently lever the cover away from the control unit. Place the new cover over the control unit. The orientation does not matter. Press down until the cover is completely level with the control unit housing. Always use the microphone cover removal tool provided by MED-EL. To avoid damaging the microphones, do not use sharp objects such as screwdrivers, nails, or needles. We recommend that you change the cover every 3 months or sooner if you notice a change in sound quality to maintain the best possible hearing with Sonnet 3.